Hello students, this is Pooja Mishra from IDPS. Today we are going to discuss about Class 7 Geography, Chapter 5, Water. So in this class we are going to discuss about introductions to the water, water cycles, major sources of water, distribution of water bodies, ocean circulations, wave, tides, currents and tsunami. So our 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. Then the question arises it why most of the countries face water shortage problem. So with the help of this chapter, water, we will try to find out the answer of these questions. So our earth is like a terrarium. Terrarium means it is an artificial enclosures for keeping the small house plants. So terrarium is a glass containers which contains soil and plants. So the water that existed centuries ago is still existed today through the process of a water cycle. So now let's come to know about the water cycle. The process by which water continuously changes its form and circulates between the oceans, atmosphere and land is known as the water cycle. So the stages of the water cycles are evaporations, transpirations, condensations, precipitations and percolations. Evaporations is the process through which liquid changes into vapor, and this is possible when solar energy warms rivers and lakes, means the sun heats causes the evaporations of water vapors. Similarly, plants and trees to use water to the atmosphere with the help of the stomata, and this process is called transpirations. Next, condensations. So condensations is the process in which vapors changes into liquid. When the water vapors cools down, it condenses and forms clouds. So in other words, water vapors changes into water droplets to form of fog and clouds. Next, precipitations. So the precipitations is the process in which water droplets falls back to the earth. Means when these water droplets are fall the land or sea in the form of a rain or snow is known as the precipitations. Next, percolations is the process in which water is filtered and seeps into the soil, and this percolations helps to recharge the groundwater. In the next class we will discuss about the distributions of water bodies and ocean circulations. Thank you.